Did you know that all appliances have their own celebration day? E-waste is increasing every year, and to address this growing issue, the WEEE Forum established International E-Waste Day 7 years ago. Held annually on the 14th of October, this day is marked by a variety of activities aimed at raising awareness about the proper disposal of electrical and electronic waste. Through our collective efforts, we highlight the dangers of improper e-waste disposal and the growing accumulation of unused electronics in our homes. Significant progress has already been made, but everyone has a role to play. Especially since 2010, the global generation of e-waste has grown 5 times faster than the rate of official collection and recycling.